Welcome! If you're looking to create awesome Instagram Reels with your videos, you've come to the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your own Reels, whether you're recording fresh footage or uploading clips from your gallery. Let's jump right in. 1. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign into your account. 2. Next, tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. A menu will pop up where you can choose different post options. Select Reels Calcons to get started. 3. Now you have two options. You can either start recording a new video directly by tapping the camera icon, or if you already have a video you want to use, you can upload pre-recorded clips from your camera roll. Choose the option that works best for you. 4. After recording or selecting your clips, tap Next at the bottom right of the screen. Here, you'll have the chance to edit your reel, add music, text, filters, and more. 5. When you're happy with your creation, tap Share in at the bottom right to post your reel to Instagram. You can add captions, hashtags, and adjust settings before sharing with your followers. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared your Instagram reel. It's a fun and easy way to showcase your creativity and engage with your audience. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.